Okay, so what we're doing now, we already sprayed it. I didn't get here early enough for you guys to see the spray, but we already sprayed it. The guys are putting down the vapor barrier now. This is a 6 mil vapor barrier. Keep the moisture out. Probably have to go get another one. The guys over there, they're digging out for the sunken shower. So we're gonna have a 4x6 shower here in this area that they're digging out. Nice. Over there's the garage. Chris is over there. We put down the vapor barrier. We got the expansion, because this is, we call this a floating slab. So this system here, we're getting ready to do our slab now. Now, as you can see, the slab is not really connected to anything. That's why I called it a floating. I mean, industry calls it floated, whatever. And we got the 4-inch expansion joint here, meaning that the concrete is going to go on the top of this. Actually, the top of the expansion. It's been graded already, compacted. This is the entry level here. I'm gonna jazz this up a little bit. Probably gonna have in this foyer area here, or this entrance area here, in this ceiling, I'm probably gonna have some tongue and groove in there, some cedar tongue and groove, stain it properly. So we're looking good. So I'm gonna get an inspection on this because I got concrete set for a week from today. So we're all good. There's my boy came by here, which is No Limit. You guys know I use them often on everything. So we already got our spray, so that's for this. So we're good to go. So I'm gonna come back here probably later on, just see how are they doing. Riding them guy, if they short of material, he's gonna be able to get it for him. Then once I pour this, then I'm gonna go up with my block. Call it a wrap, man. All right, so this is where we are. The truss is here waiting for me to deliver. Got my wire there. Hey, Rodney, how many rolls of wire we got?
1.5.
All right, so you guys might have to go get one. All right, well, you gotta do what y'all do. Well,
That's what I was waiting for.
no problem. And a visqueen, you probably go up to and get it, no problem. All right, we just want to make sure that we don't over purchase stuff.
Yeah, I was gonna wait to see how much I am.
That's fine. That's fine.
What?
No, we was looking at the material.
That's enough.
Yeah, because I think we got to probably do the check and see if we have to double it on the edges here. I know usually on monolithic we do, but make sure if we have to do it here. I haven't looked at the plans yet.
1.5 good. That's way more than enough.
Ain't no way more than enough. Hey, put this generator on some wood for me, please, guys. So we won't. Yeah, put that on some wood, plywood or whatever. Thank you. All right. So AC came in, put their condensation line in. I did a little bit of modification in the bathroom, which is gonna look pretty decent there. I got that going on. I'll show you. I'm gonna put a tub in here. At one point I was not, but I'm gonna put a 6-foot tub in here. You'll see it. All right, let me get ready. Rock and roll. Peace.